In this segment of the Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the activity tool in Microsoft Teams. You have the option for looking at your feed of things that are happening with the teams and correspondence and mentions and interfacing through the platform with others, and all of those items will be listed here under the feed. Now for the feed, you can select to view only the unread items or all the items. You can also configure it here under settings to display what type of activity you want as part of your feed. So if you say all activity and all reactions, then it will display all of those notifications and list them in there. Notice also there is a filter option where you can filter to look at only the mentions or replies or reactions or missed calls, voicemails, or various apps as well. So you're basically categorizing and filtering through any of these categories. The other thing that you can do is, once we get out of the settings, notice that there is a drop down below the feed option, and you can select My Activity. This will display all your interactions with other peers, the time and date. If you double click on it, it will take you in the context of what you did for that particular time and date. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.